Bad things happen to organizations, unfortunately. The issue is how it's communicated and handled. In this video, we'll talk about incident communication. In some cases, communication to affected parties may be required, whether those parties are the public, or affected individuals specifically, or even just affected business entities. Sometimes there is limited disclosure of exactly what happened with a negative incident that we must reveal to relevant stakeholders. Part of this is data loss prevention, or DLP, where we want to make sure that we prevent the unintentional release of incident information other than what is required and what is ethically what we should be releasing. There are sometimes legal and regulatory requirements that determine exactly what should be notified and how and whom should be notified. For instance, with personally identifiable information, or PI, as related to US HIPAA, a security breach involving more than 500 individuals must be reported. Similar issues are happening around the world in different legislation, such as with the Canada Digital Privacy Act. So, for example, customer notification requirement might be something we have to do for credit card data security breaches. We have to consider secure incident communication methods in the first place. We might also be using a third party incident response provider, so we want to have secure communication with them after a negative incident occurs. On the public relations, or PR side, it's crucial that we have a team that relates the information that needs to be delivered to the appropriate stakeholders properly. So, as we know, it's not always what the message is, but rather how it's being delivered that has the biggest impact. So, we have to think about that from the public relations side. If there's poor communication, it could result for the company or agency in reputational damage or irate customers, both of which are bad for business. In this video, we discussed incident communication.